Here we have it, folks. Doc at the barn. You're watching our channel. Let's take a look and see what comic books we have, not just Funko Pops. We'll take a look at our new shipment of comics, so let's stay tuned for more at Doc at the Barn Snyder. That's interesting. A big old tree fell down. And here we have that's a scary guy. Look at that face. Only a mother could love that face. See? Yeah, go away. They make me nervous. Anyway, we got some more comics to look at. We got 3 boxes, 3 small boxes. We're gonna look at them now, but you're gonna have to go. Go. My neighbor. That's Raymond. I thought he was dead, but he just happened to be gone. Anyway, here's our first one. Sounds valuable. Let's see what we got. I saw this at first and I said, oh my. But then again, it's really all about this, Aquaman. I'm going to turn it around so I can see it before you. The King of Atlantis on the DC family. War of the Kings. King of the Fire Trolls? Underwater? Who's busier? Aquaman or Superman? He's back. On the other hand, didn't know he was gone. The sea has a new master. And enemies from the past. Wow, they got problems with drugs coming across the border, but this one is a drug raid in the water. Now this one, I have no idea what it's about. It says for better or worse, Aquaman is presiding over I guess he's performing the marriage or something. I don't know who that is. These are all current issues. This is 63. I guess I wonder. Okay, I was going to say I started off with 1, but we had 1, but 47, 49, they're all different numbers. I might have the complete thing, but I'm not right here, right now. Issue 69 and 70, Ties That Bind. Aquaman against Warlord. Warlord looks incredibly like Thor. Okay, that's the one bundle. Number 2. We start off with Legends of the Universe, which is, I guess, is Green Lantern. Green Lantern's a cowboy. Legends of the Universe, Superman. This issue is called The Jump. Well, that was part 1. This is part 2 of The Jump. Now this is interesting. Legends of the Universe featuring the Joker and Aquaman. The Joker gets soaked. And then, of course, we have another legend. Here's Aquaman and Batman. Shredder's Revenge. This is called Green Lantern and the Atom. The Atom is supposed to be small. I don't know why he's so big there. This is the 18th letter. Wonder Woman. That was part 1. This is part 2 of part 3. This is part 3. Superman and Batman in the background. Destroyer of Worlds. This is part 1 of 4. Hal Jordan as the Spectre, which is Green Lantern. There's an 80-page one. More legends. Conflicting emotions. Of course, The Flash. The CR list. Superman Legends and the DC Universe. Wonder Woman Legends. It's the thick one. Yeah, Wonder Woman looks like it's all the Justice League. Green Lantern and Green Arrow. What could you say? Life would not be complete without Batgirl. This must be part 2. This is the Legion, the Justice League. These are really nice covers. The Flash. The Scarlet Speedster. Okay, that ends number 2. Now number 3, more DC. The Black Canary and Oracles. The Birds of Prey. Manhunt. Wolves with the Birds of Prey. You got Black Canary and Batgirl. On the other side is the boys. Best of enemies. Looks like Robin's a swinger. The birds of prey. Oh, good. I got a letter. Thank you for writing me, folks. You're really too kind. More birds of prey. Please stand back, step away from the glass. So says to the Joker. Hey, you got Joker and then you got Power Girl. Sad to say, victims of war. Robin visits the birds of prey. Jungle action. End of the line. A hairy situation for the birds of prey. Not to mention Gorilla Grodd. And last, the hostage heart conclusion. Thanks for looking at them. Be sure you subscribe. Be sure you share. And even more important, be sure you come to Jockey Lot or Becky's Barn or online and buy these. And you can buy them all for me too. I'm willing to part with them and everything. So come on down and everything. Like we can spar. Thanks for watching, guys. How do you turn this off?